and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are going to make a calendar. It's a very pretty pink flowery calendar today, but you can choose any colours that you like, you can choose any theme that you like, but today we have chosen pink and flowers. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. So, first we are going to make the base of our calendar. So we've chosen pink paper and we're going to draw 2 lines on either side of the paper, 4 centimetres from the side, like so. And then we're going to fold on those lines, just like this. Make sure the folds are nice and smooth. Fold on both sides along the line. You can use a ruler to help you get it nice and smooth and straight if you like. And then fold the whole piece of paper in half, like so, making another smooth fold. And then open it back up again. Get your trusty glue stick out, and where you folded, just apply a little bit of glue and fold to the other side where you folded and stick the 2 folds together like so. So then your pink paper becomes like a triangle, like so. Make sure it's all glued down like so. Did you see what we did there? Pause and rewind and watch again if you need to. Next we're going to make the pockets. So we've taken our smaller, different coloured pink paper and we are going to fold the bottom like so, nice and neat and straight. We've used a ruler to help us, like so. And then we're doing the same again with the sides. So we're going to use the ruler to help us fold, just like this. Did you see what we did there? I'm going to get our glue again. I'm going to stick down those folds. Make it nice and firm. Use a little bit more glue if you need to. I'm going to do that 3 times for each pocket. So we've got a pocket for the month, for the date and for the day. And then we're going to draw our little notes. So we've taken white paper for this. And we've chosen a nice circle shape. So we're going to draw a circle at the top of our little note. We've decided to colour it in with pink. You can choose any colours that you like. You can use pencil or pen to colour it in. And then we're going to write into our little pink circle the days of the week. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm going to do a little note for each day of the week. And then we're going to place those notes into one of our pockets. And we're going to do the same for each of our pockets. So we're also going to make little notes in the same way for the month and for the day. So we got 1 to 31 for each date of the week. And for the month, and we're going to do all our months, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. We're going to place all those notes into our pocket. And then we've made little stickers for the front of our pockets. One saying month, one saying day, one saying date. And we've coloured them in pink. I'm going to stick them onto the front of our pocket like so. If you don't want to stick them on, you can always just write on straight onto your pocket. Look at that. Amazing. And then we're going to take our double-sided tape. I'm going to place that on the top and the bottom of the back of our pockets like so that we can stick it to our base. And then we can take off the back of the double-sided tape so that we can reveal the sticky side to stick onto our base. And we're going to do that with all 3 pockets. And be very careful on when we place them onto our base. So we've got to place them in the right place, leaving enough space for each of the pockets. And gently press those on. Once our pockets are firmly attached to our base, we can now decorate our calendar. So we're going to take some shiny silver paper, but you can choose any kind of paper you like. I'm going to draw a nice big circle onto our paper so that we can cut it out. So when we use our scissors, don't forget to ask for permission from your parents and make sure that you have someone there with you to keep you safe. Cut out the circle, and then on it we're going to draw the year. So this year it's 2023. And then we've got 2 sparkly flowers. I'm going to put some jewels in the middle there. You can decorate it with other things or other coloured flowers, whatever you like. You can put some hearts, some smiley faces. Now our flowers have sticky stuff on the back, but if yours do not, you can always use some double-sided tape. I'm going to just stick them on the top like so on either side. And then on the middle we're going to use some double-sided tape and attach our 2023 right in the middle like so. And there you have it, your very own calendar. It's all pretty and colourful, and you've got your month, your date and your day. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Henry, and Henry has drawn the most beautiful ocean scene with sun in the sky and dolphins jumping out of the ocean. How awesome is that? Well done, Henry. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today.
Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!